Hi friends, I'm Sangita. Welcome back to my channel. Let's go to the garden today to bring some vegetables which I'm going to use today. Fresh beetroot and fresh carrots. Today I'll make vegetable chop, Bengal's all-time favorite, and in winter time, tea and vegetable chop, ultimate combination. Just try it, you can understand the taste. Generally, people uses beetroot and carrot to make this chop, but I always add another vegetable which is papaya. So I'll finely chop all these vegetables, and definitely you need potato here as a binder. Without potato you can't make this vegetable chop. Here I took 4 medium-sized potato to boil, and it's boiled properly. So I'll mash it and keep it aside. Please cover this mashed potato to retain the moisture. Without peanuts and coconut, this vegetable chop is not complete at all. So I'll add some fried peanuts and finely sliced coconut in this chop. Now in the same oil, I'll add pachforon and chopped green chilies. You add green chilies as per your own taste. So let me fry it for 1 minute. Now I'll add 2 teaspoons of ginger paste and fry it for another 1 minute. Now time to add all the chopped vegetables, but I will add beetroot first as it takes more time to cook. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and mix it well. Now I'll add chopped carrot and I'll mix it nicely. Time to add chopped papaya, and I'll mix everything together. Here I'll add 2 teaspoons of bhaja masala and we'll mix everything. Cook it in slow heat, so let all the vegetables become soft. It's almost cooked now. Now I'll add 1.5 teaspoon of sugar. Once vegetables are soft, add fried peanuts and fried coconut and give it a good mix. Now I'll add chopped coriander and we'll mix everything together. Time to add mashed potato. Potato brings the binding in this vegetable chop. When everything comes together, means all the mixture comes together, means it's ready. You can see here whole mixture came in one place. Let it cool down, then give the vegetable chop shape or your desired shape. My chops are ready to fry now. For frying, I'll use egg and breadcrumb. We need to use both of our hands. One hand to use the chop to dip in egg and other hand to roll the chop in breadcrumbs. I will do the double coating here. Same process will repeat again. It makes chop very crunchy. See, the chop is coated very nicely with breadcrumbs. Heat oil in a pan. It needs to deep fry. Fry in medium to low heat. It doesn't take long time to fry as vegetables are already cooked. Fry both the sides. Our vegetable chop is ready. Serve it with your favorite sauce or chutney and sliced onion. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you all in my next video. Bye bye.